today's video is gonna be a vlog. I gotta go do some stuff. Well, I just gotta go to the store. But I'll try to show you guys. I'll try to film where I go, and I'll show you guys, and I'll bring you guys along with me. And yeah, today is Friday, so I just need to change. And I came to post like on base because the store here has a small selection, well, like a small section for Bath and Body Works. And so Bath and Body Works has a sale going on with their candles, and they also have that sale here. So I wanted to pick some up. We're gonna go inside. Maybe I'll show you guys if it's not too packed. I'll show you guys. But yeah, let's go. And the Bath and Body Works section that they have there at the Outpost store, before the sale, they had Christmas scents, but since it's a sale, they literally took all the Christmas scents and put like summer, and they took them back, and then once the sale's over, they're gonna bring all the Christmas scents. But this, I believe the sale's gonna go on for 4 days. This sale's gonna go from the 4th to the 9th here, and I don't know. Yeah, anyway. So I picked up only 2, and I really wanted Christmas scents, but so the first one I got, it was a champagne toast, which, yeah. The other one was mahogany teakwood, and they had, literally they have like summer scents and stuff. And yeah, those are the only 2, but I'm gonna go back and keep checking if they ever, like, if they end up putting Christmas scents. And then I got a sticker labels for the presents, some ribbons, some bows, this candy dispenser for Sophia's stocking. Got myself another pair of Reezy. I got myself another pair of lashes, and these are the lashes that I'm wearing. You can't really tell, but they're like really natural, and usually I wear these when I don't want to wear too much makeup. If you like natural lashes, I highly recommend the Kiss lashes and Reezy, and these are only like $3. I would get asked a lot when I would work at the waxing center. Like literally, when I would wear these, a lot of people asked me what lashes I was wearing. And then I got some tape and some command strips for the cheap brand. So that's what I got. So now I'm gonna make some food because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. It's like 12 now. store, I got something for Adrian and Sophia. Just so I could wrap it and have something under the tree. So I got this because Adrian wanted the cups. So this is what I got him. And then I just got Sophia because she needs PJs. And I got her some frozen PJs. Just so she can open something for Christmas. I'm still gonna buy some other stuff. Like, I'll be picking stuff every time I go to the store for her and wrap them. Just so she can have something to open for Christmas. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap that. And I got this wrapping paper for Adrian. And the pink snowflakes one for Sophia. I'm gonna use the bows and the stickers. Okay, now I'm just gonna put them under the tree. Like that. Now I think I'm just gonna pick up the living room, and then yeah, that's pretty much it for now. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna clean the living room. I'm just gonna pick it up and yeah. The horses. Oh, you can't see the horses. Wait for me. The horses. There's another one. want to tell them about your toy?
No. Of course not.
No?
No, you can tell them. This is the video. Now it's all stuck there.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one that they gave me for. And it has 13.5. And I think this means dry wine. But I'm gonna try. It's wine. It's wine.
Have you no idea where the guy does that?
No. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here and I will see you guys on my next video.